Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. Okay, here's gonna be another story time, okay? Remember, I started a new thing and I'm gonna start giving you guys some amusing anecdotes that I've had in my lifetime. I've experienced things that are kind of interesting, little stories. So this is gonna be a short one, but it's interesting. Um, we knew a guy who was raised not wealthy, and he was kind of from a poor neighborhood. So he wanted to go to college, and what he ended up doing is, being from the poor neighborhood, he made money the way he knew how to make money, selling drugs. Okay, but he sold them in a very interesting way. So what he would do, those big manhole covers in the middle of the street? Okay, we have them. They're really thick iron and they're very heavy. Well, somehow he made his way into them and they lead to the sewer. Now, at the edge of the sidewalk, we have these big openings, and that's where the water runs into the sewers. So his customers, what they would do is, they knew that this is where the drop off and the exchange would be made. So what they would do, the customers would kind of crinkle their money, stand near at the edge of the street, and they just kind of drop the money into the gutter. And then eventually the little bag of whatever would end up right there at the edge of the gutter where the water would run into. I guess it had to be a dry day, no rain, but they called him, his handle, La Rata, which means the rat. And they called him that because he hung out in the sewers. Isn't that weird? I thought that was a creepy, weird story when I heard about that. I don't even know if that guy's still alive, but I remember somebody told me that story about that guy. Here's the kicker: he ended up working in law enforcement. Yeah, law enforcement. But that's how he wanted to go to college, and that's how he made his money to go to college. Oh, crazy. Okay, another little amusing anecdote from Rosie Cooks. See you guys next time.